Do you ever start speaking English and suddenly forget simple words? You know them, you learned them, but at that moment your brain goes blank. You stop, you feel awkward, you lose confidence. Let me tell you something important. This is not because your English is bad. It happens because of how your brain works. In this video, I will show you 5 powerful tips based on science and psychology that will help you remember words faster, speak more smoothly, improve your grammar naturally, and feel more confident. Let's fix this problem step by step. First tip, slow down to speak better. Most learners try to speak too fast, and this creates problems. Your brain needs time to find words in your memory. When you speak too fast, your brain gets overloaded, you panic, and you forget words. The solution is simple. Speak slower than you think is normal. Instead of rushing your sentence, slow it down and give yourself time. When you slow down, your brain becomes calmer, you think more clearly, and your words come more easily. Slow speaking leads to clear thinking, and clear thinking leads to better fluency. Second tip, use simple words, not perfect words. Many people try to sound advanced or impressive, but this creates pressure. When your brain looks for the perfect word, it often gets stuck and you stop speaking. Instead of trying to use complex words, use simple ones that you already know well. For example, instead of saying, "I encountered a significant difficulty," just say, "I had a big problem." Simple words are easy for your brain to remember and use quickly. Fluency is not about using difficult vocabulary. It is about communicating clearly and naturally. Simple English is powerful English. Third tip, stop translating and think in ideas. Many learners think in their native language and then translate into English. This is slow and stressful, and it blocks your speech. Your brain is doing too much work. Instead, start thinking in ideas, not perfect sentences. Focus on what you want to say, not how to translate it perfectly. If you forget a word, do not stop speaking. Explain the idea using other words. For example, if you forget the word scissors, you can say it is something you use to cut paper. This keeps the conversation going and reduces stress. Fluent speakers do this all the time. They focus on communication, not perfection. Fourth tip, use thinking phrases instead of silence. When you forget a word, silence feels uncomfortable and you lose confidence. But native speakers do not stop. They use small phrases to give themselves time. You can say, "Let me think, how can I say this? What I mean is," or "Give me a second." These phrases help you stay in control while your brain searches for the right words. This reduces anxiety and keeps the conversation natural. Instead of stopping completely, you continue speaking, and your confidence stays strong. Fifth tip, practice speaking every day, even if you are alone. Listening and reading are important, but they are not enough. Speaking is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with practice. You need to train your brain to recall words quickly and speak without fear. You can talk to yourself, describe your day, explain what you are doing, or share your thoughts out loud. You can record your voice and listen to yourself to improve. You can repeat sentences to build natural rhythm and pronunciation. Even 10 minutes of daily speaking practice can make a big difference. Consistency is more important than perfection. Let's quickly summarize the 5 tips. Slow down your speech. Use simple words. Think in ideas, not translations. Use thinking phrases. Practice speaking every day. Forgetting words is normal. Even advanced speakers experience this sometimes. The difference is they do not stop speaking. If you follow these tips step by step, you will speak more smoothly, feel more confident, and remember words more easily. Start today. Do not wait to be perfect. Speak, make mistakes, and keep improving. Because fluency is not built by thinking, it is built by speaking.